This is to record the gearbox noise when under stress, like stepping on the gas pedal and a little bit of right turn movement, and you hear that grinding metal clanking noise. When not under acceleration, you don't feel it so much or hear it so much, but it's worse when under acceleration, when it's under stress. Like right now, I'm gonna gas it. Hear that? Before, weren't any vibration to the steering wheel, but right now I just feel barely feeling it a little bit, but that's not really the problem. The problem is the clankety noise right there. You hear right there, you hear that? I'm on the gas right now, and that's the sound, especially worsened when I try to steer to the right. Does anyone know exactly what the problem is? Please let me know. Thank you. This is a 2010 International with a Cummins ISX 15 with 828,000 miles, automatic, 10-speed automatic. Let's see what else. That's about it. And I'm having a clankety noise when under acceleration. Right there, right there. And if anyone knows what that is, please let me know. Thank you. Appreciate it. Bye.